Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Tag Manager to your Shopify store. So first of all, you want to create an account. You're going to click on create account and you're going to enter all of your information. So to find this information, you're going to go ahead to Shopify again. Now when you entered your shop information, you're going to create it. And now you want to accept all of this data. Now, you will get these two codes, which you have to put on your Shopify. So you want to paste this code as high as in the head as possible. And then we're going to do this body too. So I'm just going to copy this head now and go ahead to my Shopify right there. And now when you are on online store and themes, you can see these three dots right there. And now you want to click edit code. Now, when you are here, you're going to see templates option here, and you want to click on the theme liquid. And here you will want to paste that Google Tag Manager's link. So I will put it here after meta name, something like that. And now go back to Google Tag Manager and copy this body tag, which we want to paste this code immediately after the opening body tag. So we're gonna go ahead again to my store, and what you want to do is click Command F or Command Control F, basically to have this find option here. And now we want to write down body and click on next. And now, as you can see, this is the body. So right after the body would be somewhere here. So now let's put it right there before the A and put it here. Now click save. And when you've done that, you can test your website. So this is optional, but let's do that. Now you paste the code here and you test your website. And it wasn't detected now, but it may be because we need to wait a little bit, but basically you click OK. Now you go ahead and press submit. And you can create a descriptive version name. You can add the detailed description of the changes. And then you're gonna click publish. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.